Hey traders, it's Jason with Day Trading Fearless. In this video, we're going to go over how to spot a potential reversal day and how to trade them and what to look for. Give you a couple little tools for your toolbox of how to do it. So before we begin, do me a favor, make sure you guys hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel and do me a favor, put in the comments if you have ever identified a reversal day to let me know if you've seen one, because very few people know how to spot them, but that's what this video is all about. So let's dive right into it. What is a reversal day? Well, as you can see, we're looking at the S&P 500 Emini Futures on a daily time frame, right? And here is today's price action, right? From when I'm filming this video. And what this is this is called an outside day, right? And it's usually a reversal day. I'm going to go over the things to look for to be able to identify them. The first thing is days like this usually put a low in for a while. Okay, these are maybe where bear markets end and bull markets start. It could be a short term, maybe a couple months, a couple weeks, things like that. But usually these are very, very strong patterns. The first thing that we're going to look at is, let's look at the context, right? All year, we've been going lower. We've been making lower lows and lower highs, right? For a while, we do kind of pop up above a previous high and then kind of fail that, make new lows, right? But bigger picture, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, right? Now, what are some keys to potentially look at to identify if this is a reversal day? Well, the first thing is, if you look at it, we actually opened lower, okay, on this. If we kind of look at just a regular trading hours, right, look at this. We opened way down here right around the 3,500 level, went a little lower, and then reversed and took out the prior day's highs. And this is a massive buying reversal day. How can you tell? Because look at the volume, right? This is our second thing that we want to look at, is volume. If you look, every day, right, that we've made lows, we've usually had massive volume spikes right here, right? Kind of big volume spike. They happen over and over. Well, guess what? Volume eclipsed pretty much every day except for these couple days in this day, right? Even this day got taken out, or right about the same on the volume. So there was massive volume that came into the market. If you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P E-mini trade zone levels, support, and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. Another thing that we want to look at is, this is a bullish engulfment at the lows, right? We actually were in a waterfall, took out the lows, reversed, took out the highs, and engulfed this entire previous day's candle. That is very bullish. And we also closed right near the highs. Third thing that we want to look at is divergence. Look at this, right? As we made these lows, right, the RSI on the daily time frame is making a higher low, right? So this is now locked in, and chances are we're going to probably keep going higher. The final thing that I will say that kind of makes this a potential reversal is we were at a prior level of resistance or support, right? This was resistance, ran up, failed, broke out. Well, guess what? We just came right back down, and this is the first time that we've actually retested this area, right? From this entire massive run up, and you saw the buyers come in on this day, right? So massive candle on the reversal. Now, if we kind of look at the weekly, right, we could say, hey, there is potential, right? The week's not over yet because this is a weekly chart, but look at this potential divergence on the weekly, right? We close here, and then let's say next week we break higher. So all those things are things that you want to look for a potential reversal in the market. Okay, they're all kind of lining up all at the same time, and that's what creates this. Markets, doesn't matter what the news is, because I'll tell you right now, it's funny. I was watching or listening to CNBC all day, just kind of want to hear their commentary on it. And it's amazing how everybody's like all bullish now, and they're given every reason. Okay, on the fundamental side, they're trying to do all this, and here, charts will tell you what is going on with the market. Now, let's go. And so my point to that is you got to be really careful of how you listen to these people and what they're saying, because usually they have no clue, because a week ago they were telling you how bullish they were, right? Or bearish, and now they're all of a sudden bullish, but they're trying to say inflation's not so bad, blah, blah, blah. So with all that being said, here is another way to look at it, right? We actually had, on the 15-minute chart, we actually had a head and shoulders, right? And look at this. This is called a look below and fail. Kind of look below, try to fail, and then reverse massive, and now we're coming back up. I won't be surprised if we start making higher highs, higher lows. Now, with that being said, how do you trade this, right? Because you're probably watching this after the fact. Okay, so let's get rid of the volume. The way you want to trade this is you want to sit there and probably grab a look at a daily chart. Okay, grab your Fibonacci tool, and I would probably go from this high all the way down to this low right here, and I would draw a Fibonacci and kind of look to see, okay, hey, where is resistance? Well, isn't it amazing how just from that high to that low, if I draw it, the swing high is exactly at 38. This swing high right here is exactly at 50. This one's at 75, and so on, right? Things work too well, right? So it's almost like somebody knew beforehand, because exactly where to stop the market. With that being said, I would probably look for a potential pullback in the next few days, probably around this 3,600, right? So yes, be careful not to chase, because what we may see is the market do something like this and then have a pullback and then go higher, and then we would have a low, a high, higher low, higher high, and start this entire trend where we were making lower highs and lower lows. We're now making higher highs and higher lows. So hopefully that helps you guys kind of really identify how to do all this, and how to spot reversals, how to trade them, and just use Fibonacci's for your targets. If you want to get long here, maybe add down here and just use those levels. That's fine too. So hopefully you guys like that video. Like I said, comment. Let me know if you've seen a reversal day and been able to spot it the day it happens in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.